Hello, my name is Yerkis Cross, and today I'm gonna talk to you about my future goals. For years, I got studied dream, and today I want to continue with my college study. It has been a big complication because there have been difficulties, but thanks to God, I have overcome those difficulties. Now my goal is to safely complete my college careers and today have the opportunity to work study company that allows me capture the commitments I assume among those two goals is most important. Higher education for my daughter, continue paying contribution to a pension, and today a more peaceful life. Thank you.